the blood clot. Nah, go on this Albanian pussy clot, turn back.
What kind of joke you have there?
No, big up, but a good thing I never give up. Come here, sweetheart. I want to see you put your hand up. You have a hard for your relationship, mash up. Young boy, where are you?
Number one job.
You get one with it.
What that I make me do?
See that strong up and prevent our mouth from long up. You have to see how quick she swallow it. All you have to do now is follow it.
Use this sound, guys.
Yo, where you say you
They're jealous.
are jealous?
Oh, yeah,
So
they're bad blood clot jealous.
So you're a woman.
Oh, some woman
Alright, don't point on the people. Alright, don't point on the people, woman.
You hear that?
Alright, don't point on the people, woman.
What's the one? They're jealous.
Alright, I'm boss.
Tiny thing, me like the girl look at the tiny thing. The same drink a burn off, y'all get them pussy burn off, give them a ride by without them turn off. The same drink a Malta, and the pastor for himself up on the altar. Strong like the rock at Gibraltar. The girl them say the man them drink this one bottle of Red Bull, and wake up in a bed with this big bull. Oh, that sounds on Wednesday, check out and give me for the Thursday. Cause Sunday, fire for the boy, them a run, go put them tongue there. Tell me them a DJ and a sing and them a hungry. Gunshot me give them from Sunday to Sunday. Hold on, no man, that one a name. Hey, you buy me meat, and hey, you taste the meat. You gone, move, you gone, where? You gone, move, you gone, where? Hey, you get coffee wine. Turn around here, 69. You gone, move, you gone, where? You gone, move, you gone.
Jamaica Foot Patrol .1 siren.
Clad in Jamaica, new police jeep. Squaddy. 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 Yeah. Squaddy. Clad new police jeep. Back by what shed, man. You see police jeep going up. Yeah. That is it, my boss.
Hey, not 13, come on, sit here today, no? Yeah, I want to honor, so. Yeah. Liberate can't be enough, you know. I mean, remember my body, remember my body. Yeah. I'm right here. Best game I ever. You know what's about him? Him is the richest. The Prime Minister in the Caribbean, the last person, and to resign. And that was you know, fight. Hey, you're 3 million Jamaican. I can't 3 million Jamaican there apart. We're not busy about who will feel with politics. Jamaica run by P2. And that people them there. Take what them gonna kill them with it. The trouble them busy about them. I break the top. And me young tell the blood class something, you know. They're back on it. I break the blood class. But Jamaica say. And the Queen control me, you know. The monarch, you know. And control the whole of me, you know. One Jerry. One comrade Jerry. One comrade Jerry. The Queen had to be with PFP and J. They never know that this is. Buster man. And Diamond man, they come up from World War II. But regulate Jamaica, Queen Elizabeth, and I play with our things, you know. Queen Elizabeth. The second. And King around the place now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Right now, if you are your girl left, you know, you can't know what they with him, you know. Oh, yeah, that's now, me and him done today. A taxi boy out from the base. You know, a man never go to me, you know. You know, now they have to reach out and nickel and stay and look at the girl. The girl doesn't want to know.
Boy, you don't know the girl where you go.
Go on and man, no girl. Alright.
Yeah, what is that?
Girl. Woman.
Yeah,
Every day I go on the house, you know, who call to him, you know, who like him and you know who he like.
Yeah, true.
You know, so one day you see there. If man you left, you know say taxi boy that base or that plaza that look me.
And him not going too bad.
3 weeks. 3 weeks. Where you might left, you know, where you might say, oh, you can't get the girl, say, rascal. You got to book out like stone now. Oh, we have to see a girl. But me make you tell him that. Watch out. You got to see a girl with him that. Cut your go like stone up. That's a girl. Woman like when you left them. You lonely. You like when you say you don't find a woman. You love them and sit with them like. Some man about boy. Can't love no more man, no more girl but you know. As a girl tap love me so book, me tap love me so back. Right away. As you hate me not in you. Don't do love you? You don't love me? Girl boy, that's what man love. Look at me, me know me that day, you know. And then you someone saying.
Who's what?
I'd rather have bad time with you with good one with someone else.
Oh, yeah, someone
Man, I'm saying, brother, in a stand with the girl, more cool and what? Woman, me?
People see her there, she a backbiter. See her there, done with her, backbiter. But see true she have in her blood clot false teeth now, make she feel like she has somebody. And then them go put on wig on her head so she feel like she has somebody.
No, I'm used to wig.
Them put on wig for your head. Normally a wig them look like suck your mother wig. My teeth drop out, take time talk.
And your blood clot, bumbo clot teeth, look like suck your mother teeth. And I run on your blood, now Karen in a run on your blood clot, your father, dirty boy, and then bat you.
Lara, we are listening to that.
Lara the warrior. Well, Lara, the West celebrity, we call Superman to Alice Society. A party, West Virginia, you bring the blood clot.
Where?
You give me my blood clot.
Me say guys, also man do I use Sheena and video Sheena every day and make money off of Sheena. See? And now protect Sheena and put him in one good place when nobody can catch him to hurt him. See? Cause they say Sheena bite off Philip too. And all I'm putting there for use that he can put on TikTok say Sheena do. Then he come back and say Sheena bite off one man finger. Be an old man you got to fuck Sheena before you look at a young little boy get Sheena to settle along with. See? Cause Sheena make money for him, pan in live and pan in content them. If you take down bumbo class Sheena video them and find blood clot TikTok page and go suck out him mama. Because if I know Sheena, he can't survive. And Sheena people him love. See? If you tap use Sheena and got Sheena in yard too. Cause every day in video Sheena and now put him a good place. Can't go sound look abandoned house. That man can't kick down the door and take a Sheena. Camp on bumbo class road and fuck Sheena in her body. See? Like some waste man. And Sheena take it for joke and Jamie take it for joke. And I know say if people them I say he might use Sheena. He might use Sheena for truth. If you go jump through him mama and take down Sheena via them and find blood clot page. Cause first of all, nobody never catch David catch Sheena to lick him down with bike and be a fuckery. Cause bike I hit down Sheena too. Me I say if he kill Sheena, we might go bumbo clot do and who might go video next. If you go suck out him mama and take down the bumbo clot, girl bumbo clot video and find blood clot page.
Cock. Queen Elizabeth of England. A soccer 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 cocky. Queen Elizabeth of England. A soccer cock. Queen Elizabeth of England. A soccer cocky. Go sucker cocky! Go sucker cocky!
All gallis. So what you say about the girl them now? What you say about the girl them now, all gallis?
Anyhow, the belly no bang, and anyhow, the titty no long. Me gone. Anyhow, the belly no bang, and anyhow, the titty no long. Me gone.
Rum fuck up rankin'.
Yeah, the rum bumbo club. Something that give him style.
Bumbo clot!
Fuck me up.
Bumbo clot, kid!
Yeah,
Yo! Bumbo!
And the girl I give him more until I do a bumbo club. It fuck me up style.
Bumbo clot! Run, kid! Yo, come here, let me carry around in your house, brother.
Nah, my son got up, man.
Come, run, kid, me and carry on.
But here we go now, it take a lot of time doing foreplay because it's a eat meat man. It's a man who like to eat meat. So you see when you eat the meat, you have to take a while to eat the clip. Because watch out now, I teach you about the part that you get a bumbo class, you know, I teach me nothing. The dog say you have curry clip. You have brown. Yeah, easy, yeah, what you do? I wish I'm going to work you do one time. So the dog say you have curry clip, you have brown stew clip, and you have fry clip. But the dog like the fry clip kind of bite. Hey, yeah, you know man.
Come in, man. Come in. Come in. Come in, man.
Boy, I got the boy. The boy, he don't like it, the fry clip. Like that, say, just bite up one bite, but he can't fuck the time it's in, because a weak boy, the boy weak, you know. He look like how my man can know, some he look like how me look, you know. But here we go on now. You see, him now is an emotional type of man now, so he spend a lot of time reasoning and doing things. So he might try distract me, like him out. So he might try distract our brain from me now, to say, alright, I say, that man, don't have your brain for him anymore, because me is the man for you, because my mind will tell you what he like. He like fry clicking like. What he like?
Fry click.
Fry clicking dog like. And you have brown stew, you have brown stew clip, and you have curry clip.
Yeah. Come in, man. Oh, I know everything what go on there, man. You are not waiting.
Boy, I need to go and I need a life. One more, you think me I want to. No, you be the right way now. The right way, Nicky. Yeah. Right, you get. So your next question. Next question, sir. Next question.
Ask you the question.
So, all the security work come in, like, tell me everything when it start.
Alright.
Oh, you lose your woman and everything.
Right.
Yeah.
And it start, oh, I lose this woman.
Yeah.
Alright, then we introduce my friend to my woman to carry her to class.
Yeah.
Because she go to class at evening time, I want such place. You understand? So I tell the dog, say, yo, drop her at such place every day.
Yeah.
You are my virgin. You understand?
Sure.
So it like say the dog start with like her because she too clean and she too nice to the million. Million don't have that because you don't know. Too clean to the million. So I know you will start work.
Yeah.
And I say, no problem. So the dog and my friend now I know enough things about certain things now. So anyway, long and short I story, the dog was a boom and winner with his story then. No problem now. How the security company Million Inc. is born.
Yes.
I get to understand so one evening this girl is spending time over this man's yard.
Yeah.
And I want to know what's happening. You understand? So there's a famous ackee tree where my neighbor have over there. Is there so it's headquarters for the company. You understand?
Yeah.
Because you see every 8 o'clock in the night that blood clot door have to open.
Yeah.
I mean that shift until 1 o'clock in the morning. Because I have to hear everything we go on in the company. I mean I laugh. What me say to you?
So what go on over there?
Big things go on in our company, my friend. Big things go on in our company. Big things go on in our company. To lick me get and watch the activities what go on in our company because serious things are going on in there. Me go in there and interrupt the lady life now and say, hey, please come home now. One big stone licking aside. Go on in your yard because I soon come. I'm a son, never mind. I working, you know.
Yeah.
Working, my friend, and I show me love and me affection from the work side. And I go there and say, alright, then I need to show me love. Woman aside now, big stone. Ain't me gone me hard, because I don't work at night then. You ain't done work, you know. You pull it off, because you don't know it go love.
To time me dead at hospital.
You did well bad time.
As doctor.
You know, so you go live for
One night when the doctor hold me, and when the people them come, and they tell them saying this. One night I broke and did it.
Then I broke and I last man tell me see a dead man.
And me have to look on the doctor and grab him hand when he don't give me injection. And I said, doctor, I say, look here.
Can't zoom up in my mouth.
We give you bad water, you're whole clot now, you know. Because if you get up, you don't got too much help. Yeah, I said, you get up, you don't got too much help. So I don't, oh, dad. They tell people say me dead. I make daughter and tell one phone, you know. One, you reach me daughter, you know. Me dead.
Yeah, your daughter, rich girl, you take care of bumbo class. You have a fat one, come put in a chair, a doctor, and set you up there and give you money, make you come to you know, then I give you money. Then if you say the drink you out and run, fuck up. You work, you do Tarzan. You cannot cut down now. A technology world arena now, you know. 100 man used to do it once, somebody had do it now. The 99 man out of job. You understand how big technology is? So we used to go to a bank, we used to see people with pen on place with paper. Now, you go there, I just computer, brother. When you put your card there, they go so bam bam, that done. That's how the system is set, man. New world order.
How long time did they find everything?
New world order, so you have to accept it too. I help it too, you know.
What name?
You go suck out no man from my mother gate there, so. You go suck out to no mama post there. Go suck out to no mama boy.
Dog, I really thought you know. Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out, Bombo Cloud. Where am I going?
Go suck out to no post there.
Where am I going?
Go suck out no mother post
Yo.
there.
Man, this is the money. Yo, this is that. I will leave for him. This is that. I drink, you know. The boy can give him a drink for him and about 50 and friend them. Beer rum. Beer rum.
Suck out no mother post there.
Beer rum, my dog drink.
Hey, you can't drink beer rum. What that for do with you?
Rum a go kill you.
What that for do with you?
Rum a go kill you.
Go suck your wife.
Sokwa.
You can't chat to me.
Chat to you, you're drunk.
Hey, you can't chat
Can't
to me.
chat to you, you're drunk, dog.
All them big poster board and my gate up there, so. Eh? All
Yo,
them big
yo,
poster board.
yo.